guess you're having a wonderful time. So the sound for today is the schwa sound. The schwa sound is a vowel sound, a central vowel sound. To produce the sound, the mouth is in a neutral position. That is, it's neither rounded nor spread out. So you open the mouth like this, and then you produce the sound as if one is weak, like you're not having any strength in you. This sound, though it's a weak sound, it is a very useful sound. So you should listen out for it in almost every English word. So you say, oh, oh. This sound is found in most two-syllable words, and even some other words having more than two syllables, where you need to reduce the vowel. So we have it in words like international, station, vision, system.